D20 inspection system is the newly heavy-duty load. The UVA system has high-efficiency helicopter rotor, can be used with V10 fixed-wing UA, reuse intelligent batteries, and satisfy various application scenarios. D20 is equipped with high-precision GANs board and network differential fusion solution service, capable of 1/500 image, free mapping capability. D20 is equipped with dual differential antenna, can improve the anti-interference ability. D20 is equipped with a 200-meter rangefinder. The point cloud is M-Wave radar, can achieve autonomous distance measurement and height determination, with precise terrain following flight, which further decreased dependency on 3 base map accuracy. D20 is also equipped with forward vision and ground visual navigation capability, able to guarantee it returns safely when encountering GAN signal interference. D20 built-in image transmission module and dual-axis gyro, stabilized FPV gimbal, capable of real-time video monitoring. D20 can be equipped with 6 intelligent battery, with maximum takeoff weight 21 kg. Battery life up to 80 minutes. The farthest control distance is 50 kilometers. D20 has excellent high-altitude flight capability, practical ceiling up to 6,000 meters, can resist maximum 14 ms wind speeds.